We have again listened to this familiar gospel, the sower. In this method of farming, the sower knows that not all seeds will fall on good soil. In fact, if you put it mathematically, three-fourths of these seeds went to waste. Only 1/4 became fruitful. But here is the lesson. In spite of the fact that the farmer or the sower knows that not all seeds will fall on good soil, he went on sowing. He went on sowing. Alam niyang hindi lahat ay mahuhulog sa mabuting lupa, pero hindi siya nagsawang maghasik. My dear brothers and sisters, the lesson here is very clear. In life, not all things will be successful. We will not always be successful. We will experience failures. Some fail in board exams. Some fail in job application. Some fail in visa application. Some fail in business. Life is not always a success. But we should be like this sower. Someone who continues to struggle in spite of failures. Hindi sumusuko. Sapagkat yung susunod mong pagsubok, yung the first struggle, the second try may already be a successful one. Maaaring sa unang hindi ka makapasa, pero sige lang, aral. At baka yung pangalawa, makapasa ka na. Baka sa simula, hindi ka matanggap sa trabaho, pero sige lang, apply sa iba. Baka nandoon ang swerte, nandoon ang tagumpay. Tandaan natin, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Remember, many years ago, there was a sweepstakes company, or I don't know if they can be called company, Manuel Uy. No? Ang kanyang slogan ay ang umaayaw ay di nagwawagi. At ang nagwawagi ay di umaayaw. Ang umaayaw ay di nagwawagi. At ang nagwawagi ay di umaayaw. It's a lesson for sweepstakes. It is also a lesson in life. Amen.